Hey everyone, Kevin here. Over the last couple of months, I've had Hankook's Dynapro HPX Touring all-season tire equipped on my SUV, and I'm so impressed with them so far. With my lengthy commute, it feels like these tires have already seen a year's worth of driving, but the tread still looks brand new. Thanks to the Dynapro HPX's extended tread life, these tires deliver the long-lasting performance I've been looking for on my SUV. A new all-season compound is at the core of the tire's long-lasting tread life. In fact, Hankook's testing has shown the Dynapro HPX has demonstrated a tread life up to 12% longer than leading competitive tires with the same tread wear warranty. That means I have thousands of extra miles on these tires I can count on before replacing them. The Dynapro HPX is engineered with an increased contact area, which evenly distributes ground pressure across a larger footprint. By spreading out the forces of the road, the tread wears evenly and gradually, which helps to maximize its longevity. Speaking of the tread wear warranty, this tire is backed for 70,000 miles, which gives me true peace of mind that my investment in my set of Hankook Dynapro HPX tires will pay off for every mile and season. The construction of the tread also features enhanced safety attributes, like the 3D grip control sipes that are placed on the main treads to keep the tire in an optimized shape. This provides outstanding grip and handling performance no matter what weather is thrown my way. Sometimes tires that have a long tread life have to make sacrifices in other performance areas, but there's no compromises here. Along with improving its snow braking, and wet handling compared to its HP2 predecessor, it also features knurling technology applied inside the grooves to reduce tread pattern noise during road contact. Hankook also optimized the number and size of pitches on the Dynapro HPX to ensure a quieter ride. From the tread design to the internal construction, every component has been engineered for maximum durability and even wear. Looking for long-lasting tires for your vehicle? Hankook made the Dynapro HPX available in 42 sizes from 16 to 22 inch, so there's probably a size perfectly matched for your SUV's requirements. For your next tire purchase, don't settle for anything less than the incredible tread life guaranteed by the Dynapro HPX Touring all-season tire.